Hello everyone. Shopify and Squarespace are the top online tools to create your stores. But the major functionality is Shopify is created for online stores. Squarespace is for blogging purpose, but we can create an online store in Squarespace also. Here in this video, we will see the main difference between Shopify and Squarespace. The first difference between Shopify and Squarespace is pricing. Pricing and way of products presentation. I classified these differences in an online store point of view, not a blogging point of view, it's an online store point of view. If you want to create an online store, you consider these points before choosing your platform. Pricing is both. Shopify and Squarespace is not a free service, they are charging on a subscription based. It's a monthly or yearly package. In Shopify, the pricing starts from $29 per month. Basic Shopify plan is $29 per month. The Squarespace, I have multiple plans. The $40 is the advanced e-commerce plan. This advanced e-commerce plan included all features. This is the first main difference between Shopify and Squarespace. You can get all the features listed in the Squarespace in Shopify basic plan itself. So the next difference between these platforms is extensibility, features and customization. Extensibility features. We need some more advanced features in our store, then only we can get more orders. We need the ability to extend our presentation level from our store. And the similar way, we need the customization options. We need to easily customize our website files, website pages. We need to choose that type of online tool. By comparing Shopify and Squarespace, both are some unique advantages. But Shopify have massive app store, application store. In Shopify, more than 1400 applications are available. So the higher degree of customization is possible in Shopify. We can get apps for a lot of features. You can imagine some particular service or extra feature you want to add in your store. You can just search in the Shopify app store. You can find out the application, particular application for your desired service, desired feature. But in Squarespace you can't get that. Less advantages, less possibilities. Shopify is for advanced users, Squarespace for beginners. If you want to expand your store more and more, and if you want to make your store bigger, start Shopify. Squarespace is best for folks who don't need e-commerce, and also the customization and tools are limited on there. The next difference between Shopify and Squarespace is going international. What's going international? Shopify is built for online sellers. You can sell it in any country. Shopify platform gives you that type of advantage to you. You can sell anywhere in the world. So the currencies and payment gateways are perfectly integrated in Shopify. So if you want to do a business, if you want to sell your product international, prefer Shopify. But in Squarespace have less advantages than Shopify. The next difference between Shopify and Squarespace is abandoned cart recovery. What is abandoned cart recovery? In any online store, we already do that. We already experienced what is abandoned cart recovery. Sometimes we plan to purchase something in any store. Just choose that particular product and add it to our cart box. Added that product to our shopping cart. After that, maybe any reason, we just leave out from the store and will not complete our purchase. Here is a abandoned cart feature is working. What will do that particular store owner? He will send a reminder after 24 hours or after a week. Something an interesting message on his email, and he reminds that yesterday or last week you prefer to purchase our product, but some reasons you not completed. You can try now. So the reminder mail automatically receive our inbox. This work is done by a abandoned cart applications. As a store owner, this feature helpful to bring more visitors to our store. In Shopify, there's a lot of applications can do this function. Just I will show you. See there. You just search here. Abandoned cart. See, there is lot of applications. We can easily integrate in our Shopify store, so we can increase our sales. This feature available in Squarespace also, but it's only for a advanced commerce plan only, not for all users. Similar like this, more features we can add in Shopify. No any other platforms or support like this.